Printing in CMYK allows you to make representational imagery in screen printing. The four-color process used, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, are inherently transparent, and when printed in a halftone format and layered on top of each other, gives the illusion of a wide range of color. Some screen printing ink brands make their own version of CMYK inks. They can be referred to as process colors or halftone colors. To keep colors from appearing overly saturated, they can be mixed in proportions of 50% transparent base and 50% ink color. Drag your image into Photoshop. Make sure your image is in CMYK color mode by going to Image, Mode, CMYK color. Flatten your image first if it contains layers. In your Panels menu on the side of your screen, click on the Channels palette, found next to Layers typically. Photoshop automatically divides your image into CMYK channels for you, like this. Select Split Channels, this icon here. This divides each CMYK channel into its own labeled Photoshop file. Now go to Image, Mode, and Bitmap, and a dialog box will pop up asking you for the following. Set your resolution output to the same resolution of your image. If your image does not print out clearly, try adjusting the output to 700 ppi or higher. Under Method, always select Halftone Screen. Next, the following dialog box will pop up. The ideal frequency is determined by dividing the mesh count of your screen by 4 or 5. For example, a 200 mesh count screen would have a frequency between 40 to 50. And the shape should be changed to round. When you are printing CMYK, the angle should be set to the same number for each color layer. 22.5 is a garment industry standard. For this example, we'll use that. Now, if we zoom in, we can see our halftone now applied to our image. Repeat the same process with your other 3 layers. These layers are now ready to be saved or printed out onto kimono paper. Keep in mind though, if you are intending to use the lab's large-scale inkjet printer to produce your films, it is not necessary to halftone your image ahead of time. Ask a tech for assistance if you need it.